The Ministry of Home Affairs approved the creation of five new districts in the Union Territory of Ladakh. The newly formed districts Zanskar, Dras, Sham, Nubra, and Changthang are expected to play a crucial role in bolstering administrative efficiency and ensuring that government schemes reach even the most remote areas. Announcing the decision, Union Home Minister Amit Shah emphasized the government's commitment to the development of Ladakh. The establishment of these new districts is seen as a strategic move to bring governance closer to the people of Ladakh, a region known for its difficult terrain and scattered population. BJP National General Secretary Tarun Chugh, who is also party in charge for Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, hailed the centre decision for creating new districts in Ladakh as a historic and path-breaking step. Chugh said on behalf of the people of Ladakh, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah for their visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to the development of this region. The announcement of creation of five new districts is a significant milestone in our journey towards better governance and prosperity. Hanifa Jan, Member of Parliament for Ladakh, has warmly welcomed the recent decision by Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, to create five new districts within the Union Territory of Ladakh: Dras, Sham, Zanskar, Changthang, and Nubra. The MP hailed the move as a significant step towards enhancing governance and administrative efficiency in the region, asserting that it will bring government services closer to the people and improve local administration. Despite this praise, Jan expressed profound concerns over what he described as a critical oversight in the decision making process. He pointed out that several vital areas, including the densely populated Sanku subdivision, Shakarchiktan, Shargol, and Sot in district Kargil, were not included in the new district arrangements. In a profound display of devotion and communal spirit, thousands gathered in Kargil town to observe Arbine Hussaini, honoring the martyrdom of Hazrat Imam Hussain and his 72 companions who fell in the historic Battle of Karbala. The event, marked by solemn morning processions, was organized under the banners of Jamiat Ulama Isna Ashariya, Kargil Ladakh, and Imam Khomeini Memorial Trust, Kargil. Thinless Nurbo, councillor of the Kungyam constituency in the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council Leh and General Secretary of the All Changthang Pashmina Growers Cooperative Marketing Society, has expressed profound congratulations following the recent announcement by the Indian government to create five new districts in Ladakh. Nurbo, who is also the state president of the BJP Yuva Morcha in Ladakh, highlighted the elevation of the Changthang region to district status as a historic and transformative decision.